Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a low-carb, keto-friendly chocolate oatmeal using these ingredients. It's really easy to put together, and as always I've written the full blog post which I will leave down below, which you can click through to pin bookmark and save for when you want to make this lovely recipe. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the oatmeal a try and what you think of it. So this is kind of known as Noatmeal, oatmeal. I'm using ricotta, which kind of, when you cook it up, gives a similar texture to oatmeal. It's just lovely. Since I've been on keto, I've really missed having oatmeal, and this is definitely a good substitute. I've got almond milk over here and cream for some lovely creaminess. I'm using stevia as my sweetness of choice, some good cacao powder to make it nice and chocolatey, and also a bit of butter just to make it nice and creamy and delicious. So let's put it all together. I'm going to start with a half a cup of that ricotta. We're going to pop it into a small saucepan and then add in a quarter of a cup of almond milk, a good tablespoon of cacao powder. You could use cocoa powder instead. And then to balance the chocolate, 1 to 2 tablespoons of stevia, depends how sweet you want it. We'll go for a tablespoon of cream, make it lovely and creamy. And then finally a good heaped tablespoon of butter. And now we're just going to pop everything onto a medium heat on the stovetop and slowly melt it all together. So I've got the saucepan over heat on the stovetop. Just continue to stir it. You'll get the stevia and the chocolate to dissolve, and just get it all nice and creamy and the butter to melt. And just keep stirring. Only take a couple of minutes, and once it's bubbling then we'll move it off the heat. There you go, you can see it's already bubbling. It really only took a minute, and we'll just take it off the heat and pour it into a bowl. Okay, I've got my little bowl handy over there, and we'll just pour it out. And you can see the textures, it's very smooth and creamy, and it's so similar to chocolate oatmeal. It's just perfect. And there you go, you can take a closer look, and yeah, it definitely looks like oatmeal, doesn't it? It's nice and rich and creamy, and you can see it's quite warm as well. Here in Ireland, some of our mornings are quite chilly, even in summer, and I just crave a nice warming breakfast like this, and this is just perfection. And if you want, you could also top it with some nuts for a bit of crunchiness, mix through a bit of peanut butter, top it with some chia jam, with some fresh berries. It is totally up to you. I'll write it all down in the blog post down below, some lovely keto friendly topping ideas, which yeah, you can try and experiment and see, but this is just a lovely breakfast, and I've been loving it in this round of keto. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely chocolate oatmeal a try and what you think of it. It's just so decadent and chocolatey and just perfection. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.